Phonics. Letter sounds from A to Z. Practice your sounds using the digital flashcards on the following slides. Are you ready? Let's begin with letter A with the sound
A. A. A.
letter B with the sound
B. B. B.
letter C with the sound
K. K. K.
letter D with the sound
D. D. D.
letter E with the sound
E. E. E.
letter F with the sound letter G with the sound
G. G. G.
letter H with the sound letter I with the sound
E. E. E.
letter J with the sound
J. J. J.
letter K with the sound
K. K. K.
letter L with the sound
O. O. O.
letter M with the sound
Mm. Mm. Mm.
letter N with the sound
Mm. Mm. Mm.
letter O with the sound
Ah. Ah. Ah.
letter P with the sound
P. P. P.
letter Q with the sound
Qu. Qu. Qu.
letter R with the sound
Er. Er. Er.
letter S with the sound
S. S. S.
letter T with the sound
T. T. T.
letter U with the sound
Uh.
letter V with the sound
V. V. V.
letter W with the sound
W. W. W.
letter X with the sound
X. X. X.
letter Y with the sound
Y. Y. Y.
Letter Z with the sound.
Z. Z. Z.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.